Okay, here we are at the gas. This is your gas meter. This is your gas valve. Now you're kind of wondering what all this is all about. This is called a manifold. And the reason there's 3 meters here is because there's 3 units in this building. And if you smell gas and you feel that you need to shut your gas off, you don't want to shut your neighbor's off. You want to shut yours off. So it's very important you identify which one supplies the gas through this manifold to your home, your unit, if you will. Once you've identified that, and if you have any problem at all, call a professional. You know, it won't cost you anything. Just have them come out and show you so you're sure. Okay, once you've done that, you've identified it on your map. You come out here, you say, okay, Rick, now what? I smell gas, I need to shut this off. What do I do? Well, actually, it's pretty darn simple. Well, first off, I want to tell you that don't worry about this rust here. Okay, everything that's outside gets a little bit of rust. It's nothing to worry about. What you do want to worry about is whether this being the valve has rusted or corroded at all. So it's a good idea to check it from time to time and make sure that's in good working order. But you don't ever turn it more than 1/8 of a turn or you're shutting it off. So this custom patented wrench that we have, that's always there when you need it, it hangs on the pipe, as you can see, has a slot in the end, right there. And that slot fits right over that shutoff. Okay, when that shutoff is the way it is right now, gas is running through the pipe, it's pressurized. When you turn this, and it's this way, perpendicular to the pipe, no gas is getting through there, period. Okay, what you need to know, if you shut that gas off, you do not turn it back on yourself. You need a professional to make sure that if there's any pilot lights, they're properly lit, etc., etc., etc. So you can from time to time, and we recommend every 6 months or so, to come out here and just give it just a little bit of a turn to make sure that it's good and loose. You can put a little WD-40 on there, you can put a little dishwashing soap on there, whatever it takes. Make sure that when you really need to shut this off, you can in fact shut it off. And last but not least, the laminated weatherproof signage that comes in your kit that shows you exactly what I just explained. Okay, now you want it where you can see it. It may be the middle of the night. We want it, in this particular case, this is the valve we want to shut off, so we want to put it right there. So when you're out in the middle of the night and you got a flashlight, you just quite simply put this guy together and slide it up there and pull this tie wrap together and pull it good and tight. So it's right there, right next to the valve. You can see it.